mCaffeine Latte Coffee Conditioner is best hair conditioner for hair care. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. Get healthy, smooth, and de-tangled hair with Latte Coffee Conditioner. Ideal for damage repair, it deeply conditions to repair bonds and nourishes the hair to add shine. Packed with deeply conditioning coconut milk, Latte Coffee Coditioner feels creamy soft. Its aroma of just ground coffee beans with a whiff of fresh cream is something that will evoke your coffee cravings. mCaffeine Latte Coffee Conditioner is best hair conditioner for hair care. Latte Coffee Conditioner is packed with coffee and caffeine. Considered superfoods for hair, they are great for overall hair health. Coffee retains moisture in hair and boosts natural shine. Caffeine repairs and strengthens damaged hair and controls hair fall. The Latte Coffee Conditioner is loaded with potent ingredients such as coconut milk, plant keratin and Brazil nut oil that deeply condition the hair. Coconut milk repairs hair shaft and smoothens and softens hair. Plant keratin strengthens hair shafts and improves moisture in hair. Brazil nut oil adds natural shine to hair. The Latte Coffee Conditioner suits all hair types and is gender neutral. Latte Coffee Conditioner is PETA certified, 100% vegan, paraben-free, SLS-free, dermatologically tested, FDA-approved, silicone-free, made safe, made in India. After shampooing, apply the Latte Coffee Conditioner to damp hair. Cover the hair length till the tips. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse off thoroughly with water. mCaffeine Latte Coffee Conditioner enriched with caffeine, Brazil nut oil, coconut milk, and plant keratin. Caffeine repairs damaged hair and strengthens hair. Brazil nut oil promotes soft and smooth hair and strengthens hair. Coconut milk helps deeply conditions and repairs hair shafts. Plant keratin helps deeply conditions and strengthens hair shafts. Get healthy, smooth, and de-tangled hair with mCaffeine Latte Coffee Conditioner. Ideal for damage repair, it deeply conditions to repair bonds and nourishes the hair to add shine. mCaffeine Latte Coffee Conditioner is best hair conditioner for hair care. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.